Hello guys, I am Balaji CG from Anna University. I am going to discuss about Arrow Cnc 25 machine. Arrow Cnc 25 machine is a single spindle machine which performs side drilling. Uh, Next, specification. It has a specification on spindle, travel, tools, coolant, system, power, loop, pneumatic, machine overall size, and its parameters are maximum machine in dia D, spindle to diameter, maximum swing diameter, spindle center height from the ground, spindle speed, spindle motor power comes under spindle, travel, x travel, z travel, z axis motor power, guide weight type. It comes under travel. Tools. Uh, it has a tool shank which is 16 into 16 mm. Coolant capacity is 150 liters. System. Um, Minimum setting unit. X pulse equivalent. Z pulse equivalent. Maximum program size. Cutting speed. X rapid transfer speed, Z rapid transfer speed. It comes under system. Power, rated voltage, rated frequency. Loop, motor power and capacity comes under loop. Pneumatic, input air pressure uh, comes under pneumatic. And machine weight is 850 kg. Machine overall size comes under machine overall size. It has several features, which is already told that it is a single spindle automatic lathe CNC 25 machine, which are extremely efficient when it comes to ease of operation and smooth error free tuning applications. This range of automatic are featured with strong holding force and reduced chuckling time. The raw material we use for manufacturing round, square and hexagonal shape of component are proven quality ferrous materials, which are the best that is available in the industry. These machines is very useful for manufacturers to perform side drilling, which is a unique feature in the machine. CNC 25 performs several operations when first one is part of champering and side drilling. These lathe machines are fitted with the following parts. Cabinet is made from manufactured from MS 10 mm steel, duly reinforced to avoid vibration and to sustain accuracy. Spindle fabricated from case hardened steel by undergoing forging and precisely hardened to sustain 5 micron accuracy. These lathe machines are manufactured utilizing input bearings, and all the threads are grounded in the spindle assembly. Guide shaft. We manufacture guide shaft are hardened and grounded and hard chrome done for prolonged life. This is a side living tool present in Arrow Cnc 25 machine. Next, we are going to talk about thread rolling machine. Thread rolling machine generate thread by replacing and flowing metal into the thread shape. Thread rolling machine are used to produce screw, bolts and studs. Thread rolling is a cold form forming operation used to form external screw threads in the blank. The thread rolling machine gradually increases the force that is applied to the workpiece. The material on the blank is displaced to form the roots of the thread, and the displaced material flows outward. There are two types of thread rolling machines. One is planetary thread rolling machine, another one is rotary thread rolling machine. The most common screw thread form as a symmetrical V profile. The most common thread forms are unified screw threads or metric threads. Planetary thread rolling machine. The picture shows the planetary thread rolling machine. Planetary thread rolling machine produces planetary roller screws that are used in precise application that require linear motion. The machine tools used for thread rolling aluminum are similar for those used to thread oil, thread roll and steel and brass. Features for rolling nails up to 2000 parts per minute. Screw shank has 5 mm wire diameter. A ring shank has 5 mm wire diameter. Die speed is 200 rpm and die power 15 uh, kilopascal, and loading height is 64 inches and net weight is 3000 pounds. Rotary thread rolling machine. This is an another type, and the machine right hand side the machine uh, shows the rotary thread rolling machine. Rotary thread rolling machines are compact, fast, flexible, and can handle small or lots of various sized products ranging from M6 up to M24. Max thread diameter is 14 mm. Max thread length is 60 mm. Max total length is 160 mm. Speed equal to 500 p per minute. Outer diameter sector up to 420 mm. Roller inner diameter is 127 mm. Advantages of thread rolling machine. Threads produced by thread rolling are also less likely to be affected by abrasion and binding. Thread rolling machines are most effective than cut threads because of the long lives of the dies, the minimal need of tool maintenance, and the high production rates. Disadvantages of thread rolling machine: high initial cost of rollers and tooling. A set of dies is required for each die, not suitable for materials with low ductility. Thank you.